Why this works. Nuoc Cham is essential in Vietnamese cuisine due to its harmony of salty, sour, and spicy flavors. The use of fish sauce provides a rich umami base, while lime juice adds brightness and acidity that cuts through richer dishes. Sugar is crucial in balancing these flavors, and its complete dissolution ensures a smooth texture. If the sauce seems too salty, adding more lime juice or water can help to adjust the flavor balance without losing the intended taste. Allowing the sauce to sit for a few minutes is key. This resting time lets the flavors meld together, enhancing the overall complexity. Additionally, the optional carrot not only adds visual appeal, but also a subtle sweetness, enhancing the sauce's depth. This makes Nuoc Cham versatile enough to accompany grilled meats, fresh spring rolls, or even as a salad dressing. Autopilot Guard Summary Truth. Approved quality, approved, score 100. Similarity, approved, score 0.066 versus salsa cruda. Regulatory, approved. Image, approved. Rate, A. Overall, 86/100. Readiness, publish ready scores. Chef 100, Science 60, Repair 95, Culture 90, Safety 100, Taste 100, Mon 160, Geo 95. Suggested enhancements. One science term. Maillard, emulsion, denaturation, etc. Earned in context would raise the explanation. Brain suggested book. The Japanese Home Cooking Code. Unlocking Flavor.